What is going on today, guys? We are back again with another tech related video. Well, in today's video we are going to be showing you a website, or a website. We wouldn't classify it as software because it isn't software, but it is just, a website that you can go to. They also have a mobile app and that actually hooks up to your account, so you can get all of this stuff on your phone or iPad or whatever after you've completed them. But this tool is going to be ideal for content creators or small businesses. This is a great website for multiple different reasons. It basically cuts a graphic designer out. It basically makes it so you are your own graphic designer. You can save some money, you can create some awesome YouTube thumbnails and logos and social posts like Instagram and Facebook. You can even edit videos within this. It makes it the ultimate content creator tool. That's why we wanted to share with you guys today. Now, just a little disclaimer, this is not a free tool. I do believe they have a free trial, but this is not free. They do have some stuff that is free within the app, but we highly recommend you upgrade to Pro for the little amount of money that it actually costs. Now guys, we're just going to go through with a little bit of an overview here on Canva and show you some of the stuff you can actually make. So you can edit videos, obviously. You can, animate texts, make certain things happen during the video. Great for small videos. You can actually do YouTube thumbnails right from in here as well, and actually upload and take out the background. So you can literally, you can upload a picture onto Canva, put it in, and take out the background. So like if you could do a reaction with your webcam or whatever. Makes it a very ideal, a very awesome tool, very easy to use tool for creating YouTube thumbnails. You can also create YouTube channel arts, and that also goes along with like Twitch banners and stuff like that as well. You can make yourself a logo. Very, very simple. Most things offer logo creation. There's lots of websites for that, so it's not really a great feature that sets this out, but it's nice that it's included in a one-stop shop kind of deal. Now we have Instagram posts and stories, Facebook posts and stories. You can create, again, YouTube channel logos, not a big deal. Banners, presentations, so you can actually do like presentations from in here as well. Not going to be necessarily needed for a whole lot of you, unless you were doing some sort of online class or something like that. Again, I already said Facebook covers. YouTube video ads, so those are the ads that, like the intro ads and stuff like that, or we actually set them up to be like, to come up and suggest, another video partway through a video, and we add it in during the editing process. YouTube shorts as well, you can actually, there's a whole template for that, which is really, really nice. Pinterest posts, not really gonna matter. Some other, little things like flyers and wallpapers for your desktops and phones. Other mobile videos, so other videos that are, mobile to upload to Facebook or do whatever. And TikTok is included in that as well. You have things like LinkedIn banners and business cards and t-shirt designs, which is actually a huge one. This is an app that lets you create things to put on your t-shirts, which is really nice, and you can actually go ahead and put it on and use on your merch and stuff like that. And they're like numerous of things, a bunch of things with websites and Twitch, and if you create music, you can actually do album covers from in here. You can do overlays and all sorts of different things. Facebook videos, again, podcast covers, things for Etsy and media kits. It's really awesome, and I'll basically show you. So let's go all the way back. We'll basically show a YouTube thumbnail. So basically you can either do it completely blank, or you can go ahead and customize this template. And then from there you can, delete, move, change, add. As you can see, there's all sorts of those are just other templates, but as you can see, you can actually add all sorts of things, like literally anything. I don't even know what to search, but basically that is it, guys. It's a very awesome website, and like I said, you can actually go ahead and get any of these things that you create using Canva right on your mobile device. You can get it right on your phone, which then makes it very easy to upload to Instagram or to Facebook or do whatever you want with that actual post. Well guys, until next time, we will talk to you later. Peace.